A pair of not guilty pleas today from two men accused of attacking a transgender woman in downtown Spokane last month. Only KXLY4 was in Superior Court when those two suspects showed up for their arraignment. And that's where Jeff Humphrey joins us now live. Jeff, prosecutors, it sounds like, have upped the stakes in this case.
Nadine, initially Adam Flippin was the only suspect in this case charged with assault, but major crimes detectives interviewed additional witnesses, and now prosecutors think that both men participated in this attack. That may be one reason why the two defendants, Flippin and Mark Fessler, were represented by separate law firms in today's arraignment. Initially, the two suspects surrendered themselves to police through the same attorney. Now that they have different lawyers, perhaps because they have different levels of culpability or defense strategies. It was the last Friday night of January when the two allegedly began hurling homophobic insults at the victim as she sat with her crutches in Boots Bakery. The staff there concedes Miss Scammahorn can get on people's nerves, and at some point the bad blood led to one or more assaults. Scammahorn almost lost her eye in the beatdown.
Two people felt that I was less than a person. I was less than a human being, and they thought that it was okay to treat me, talk to me the way they did.
Scammahorn was in court today to hear that this case could go to trial on May 11th. Several witnesses say at some point Scammahorn spit in the face of one of her alleged attackers, and if that's true, could allow the defense to claim this whole incident is a lot more like mutual combat. Meanwhile, the Spokane Police Department has investigated claims that some of its officers did not use the right gender sensitivity when dealing with the victim. However, the results, Nadine, of that internal affairs investigation found that there was a question or two that seemed insensitive, that they likely came from medical personnel who were simply trying to get the best information on how to treat the victim's injuries. Reporting live at the Public Safety Building, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.